Hi and welcome to the stylish and remote Verloren Cabin. Let's start outside, where we have a large wooden deck with a beautiful outdoor bath and shower, a wood-fired hot tub, a fire pit bowl, sun loungers and more seating options. And right next to the cabin we have the barbecue area. Let's now dive inside and have a closer look to the stylish and modern interior. We start with a spacious lounge, offering a comfy couch and other seating options, a telescope for stargazing and an indoor fireplace. And the big and open windows bring lots of light inside and give you a great view to the surroundings. Let's continue with the dining area and the fully equipped kitchen that includes a bean-to-cup coffee machine. And finally, we come to the bath and bedroom with a shower on the left and the bedroom with an extra-length king-size bed, aircon and another huge glass front. And on the right, we see the wash basin, and around the corner you would find the toilet. We finish the tour with another view of the bedroom and from the outside. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.